Okay, so what we're going to do on this is for today is to go through and do three different things. So one is going to go down to under Divi. We have to go to Custom Theme Customizer or Theme Customizer, and this is apart from just adding in that video setting. So inside of here, under this thing, we're going to go to General
Hello
Settings.
and welcome. Please look around and see how this no sweat.
Okay, we're going to go to General Settings, and we're going to go to not typography. We're going to go to I think I'm in the wrong section. Oh yeah, headers and navigation. We're going to go to header elements, and we're going to pull out this email. Okay, so what that's going to do is remove it from up here. Once you do that, here, hit publish. This will be for every single site. So all the sites that are given to you for today, and we're going to take it off the master document, the master file that we're going to upload. But first, we're just going to take that off. Okay, so we have the phone number, which is fine. So we're going to hit publish, right? So that's one thing. So we've done we've removed the email, the phone number can stay. Now the other thing we've got to do is, aside from adding in the video, is adding in a new form. Now this form is in there, but it doesn't work for what we need because it doesn't have a CAPTCHA, which they're getting a lot of bad stuff coming through. So what we have to do is do add new, and I'm going to send this over to you, but basically it's a plugin that we have. It's under documents. It's not going to be there for you. I will send you this independently. And basically it's called Form Maker. And we should have stuck with that from the beginning, but anyways, I didn't get lazy. That's what happened. So we're going to go ahead and install it. So it's just Form Maker _ WordPress. We're going to hit install. And the good thing about this, we don't have to do too much work. Okay, so what we have to do is we're going to go ahead and activate it. Okay, so we just installed it. We're going to activate it. And again, there was retroactive, say 12 to 20 sites, whatever they are. You're going to do this too. And then we're going to do this on the new version of the RE sites one time. And then we're going to install this so it works right out of the box. So you don't have to do the latest 8. You don't have to do all those as one go. We're going to have that already set up. We're just doing retroactive, okay? So what we're going to do here is once it's installed, there's Form Maker. It's right down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Forms. And the only difference between what's happening in the WP Forms, because I'm going to open that in a separate window just to show you, is we have two different things that are being asked for on top of, say, a regular contact information. So we're going to just go inside of there. Again, this is what WP Forms is name, email, best time to call, and primary phone number. That's it, and a CAPTCHA. So what we're going to do here in Form Maker is we're going to use this contact us. We don't have to delete any of these. We could just keep this as is. So we're going to go here under edit, right? And all we're going to do is it says name, email, and subject, right? So all we're going to do is we're going to add in 2 more fields, which would be primary phone and best time to call. So we're going to do, we're going to add a field. So we just drag this over here. It's going to ask us what it is. So again, this is just retroactive. We're going to do it as a, there must be a phone number version. Here we go. Phone, right? So we just want to say primary phone, right? And then we'll just change this to Canada. We're going to hit add. And then we're going to do another drag. We're going to say best time to call. So this will just be single line of text, best time to call. And that's it. So we add those in there, and that's everything. And then all we want to do is add a CAPTCHA down here. So we're going to add another field, drag it here. We're going to do a simple CAPTCHA, right? And then we're going to say, and we're going to hit add. So basically what we've added is best time to call, primary phone, and this CAPTCHA right here, okay? And that's it. And then we're going to go ahead and hit update. I believe everything else is staying where it should. So I'm just going to double check this. Show the header. Oh, actually, we want to turn this off. So fields, we want to say no to show header. Or actually, we keep this as yes, but let's remove this whole section, right? So contact us is perfectly fine. So go ahead and keep that, but remove this description, right? And then email options, send email, yes, to the admin email from the person's email. So we have to check this off as the person's email. From name, is going to be coming from the form list. So we just say whatever the form fields are. So we're going to say, because the person will be putting in their name, we want that to happen. So it'll be that queue, and then subject line will be the form title. And then that is it. So basically all you have to do on this is so we have the fields, the form header, we're going to say yes, but we're going to remove everything in the description and the email. This should be yes, and we're going to keep that exactly as it is. We're going to say we do want the email, this one, and we want this to be this 2 right here, just as you see right there. So even if you want to copy and paste that, and that should be it. Appearance doesn't really matter, and then settings doesn't matter. After submission, stay on the form. That's fine. So we're going to hit update. And then what we're going to do is, once we're done, then we just have to go back to, I guess, the forms itself. And then we grab this little piece of code, right? And we're going to go to, if you have it, as you're doing your pages, say for the videos, right? I'm going to open this up. We have contact us, and we have why real estate is an exceptional way to invest, which is where your video stuff is going in. But inside this contact us, you're just going to click edit. And then what we're going to do is put this at the very bottom of this text. We're going to open up the text box, and open up this text box right there. The very, very bottom, we can just go back to a visual version. At the very bottom of this is, oddly enough, the code, oh, there it is. So what we want to do is just remove this. Okay, so we remove that, and let's just try to go up a bit. I'd like it to be a little bit closer, so we just do one space down below, and we paste that form ID 1. So even if you copy this as well on a document, you could probably speed up your time because you would know exactly what you have to paste, okay? And then hit save and exit, update, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to check that that form actually exists now. So notice we don't have the email up here anymore, and then we have contact us. There's Wendy, and then we have contact us right here, and there's our CAPTCHA thing. Okay, so that's what you have to do, and then of course on the video page you'd want to add the video page as well, which would be, if we go under here, would be this one, the why real estate. Okay, so that needs to be done retroactively to all the others, pieces on from the people that I sent back to you. I will do it on the newest version of the install, so you don't have to install it without all these things already in place. Okay? Thanks. Bye.